This is the July multifamily market update here in Orange County. Before we dive in, our team collectively closed escrow on 10 multifamily transactions here in Q2. And as we roll into Q3, we have 8 multifamily properties currently in escrow. We've seen a little bit of an uptick in transaction volume. So overall, we think the second half of the year is going to be a little bit better as far as transaction volume as the first half of the year. All right, so here are the things to know, especially if you're active in the market. This is what we talk about within the industry. Number one is going to be interest rates. Plan for a 6% interest rate. Rates are trending up, the 10 years over 4, so plan for a 6% if you're looking to make a purchase or refinance any time in the near term. We might be able to get you today in the high 5s, but overall underwrite for 6. Cap rates. Cap rates right now are hovering in the 4s. For good assets, non-coastal, we're seeing cap rates, call it mid 4s, trending up depending. We've seen some of these assets, if the rents are closer to market, we're starting to see 5 caps. Now, if we get into coastal assets, a lot of the coastal assets are still seeing very low cap rates. A lot of these deals where the cap rates, they're very low and it doesn't make sense to take out 6% debt, we're either closing those cash or we're also seeing owner carry scenarios, but those are the two things that buyers are looking for. They're either paying cash or they're gonna wanna see a seller if they have a lot of equity, if they carry the financing. The rental market predominantly is starting to flatten out, if not pull back a little. We're starting to see market rents soften by about 5% in most of the markets here in Orange County. Overall, that's not a big change because rents shot up so much over the past few years. Economic vacancies hovering around 3%. So overall, assets are performing very well. However, it is good to know that if you've leased up a unit over the past year and a tenant is coming up for a renewal, a lot of owners are not electing to push out a rent increase right now. They don't want to cause any vacancy, more or less. They want to keep heads in bed. So that's something to consider. Overall, very strong market still, but just be careful on pushing out rent increases. Insurance premiums. This is a big thing here in Southern California. We have seen insurance premiums, the renewals have shot up on average of 20 to 25%. However, if you're looking to sell a building, you might want to take a look if you have older electrical panels. If you have older Zinsco or Federal Pacific panels, you might want to get those changed out before you put your property up for sale so you don't have any issues with an escrow or with a buyer obtaining new insurance. Those are the big topics within the market here in Southern California. If you want to talk one-on-one, let us know. We'd be happy to connect. Thanks so much.